guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with a hair tutorial. As you can tell, we have taken my tight 3A, 3B, sometimes 3C curls to silky straight. I went through the process of straightening out my hair last night, and I decided that I was actually really going to see how long would this blowout really last. I worked out after I blowed my hair out, and this is second day hair. I'm super excited about all of the body, the shine, the bounce, like this is absolutely insane. I totally wanted to come back to you guys and share how I got these amazing results. And part of me really didn't want to straighten my hair only because I feel like I've gotten my hair to a good space where I'm comfortable with how to style it during the day. I know what to shampoo it with. I know how to deep condition it. I feel like the integrity of my hair has really expanded. There's still some areas that I could probably do better, maybe if I wasn't coloring it as often as I do. However, I would like to also think that I've learned so much along the way that I'm definitely wanting to share with you guys on this natural hair journey, ways that I'm able to love my hair and not be a slave to my hair. But today I'll be showing you how I actually got my hair this straight using the Olaplex number 6. This is honestly the only product that I put in my hair while it was wet before I blow dried it. Once the hair was dry, I came back and used the Olaplex number 7, and this is the only product that I'm using, and it is an oil-based product, but you will see my hair does not, it is moving like, I mean, let's just get into the flow in the body, honey. Let's just get into it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Today I actually have my hair pulled back. Obviously I was debating on if I was going to blow dry my hair, and then I found this new Infinity Pro hair dryer by Conair in Target, and it gave me the idea to go ahead and straighten my hair. I also pulled the Olaplex number 6 and the number 7, and I was totally not disappointed. But first, before I get into using those products, I definitely want to shampoo my hair using my Mixed Chicks sulfate free shampoo and the mask. And of course, I always love to do a good deep conditioning on my hair every wash day. And I will link down below how I shampoo my hair in some of the Olaplex videos. But as for today, I'm going to start with the Olaplex number 6. This product is actually really designed to strengthen and nourish and moisturize hair. It speeds up blow drying time while smoothing, and it reduces frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. So super excited. The directions state to apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating product on your mid-lengths to ends, comb through and style as desired. And you can tell that my curls are very bouncy, very heavy. Even with me using the blow dryer, can I tell you that I absolutely love this type of blow dryer, mainly because of the comb attachment. It's not in that what I describe like a weird technology with the circle comb. I grew up with this type of blow dryer, and they just continued to improve the style. This one actually has 3 different attachments, including this wide tooth thermal comb. So those of you that have had blow dryers like this in the past, notice that they have definitely updated the comb, so you're not having to use a plastic comb and basically rip your hair out. Next, I'm actually going to move into the Olaplex number 7. This is the bonding oil. I absolutely love this oil, and I honestly think you can never put enough of it in your hair. But the instructions state to apply a small amount to damp or dry hairstyle, and style as usual. This is actually really designed to reduce frizz and flyaways. It extends color and renews vibrancy. It's a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees. It shortens dry time, softens and detangles. It has a UV protectant, no residue. It's color safe, vegan and alcohol free, which absolutely amazing, especially when I have all of this color in my hair. I'm absolutely obsessed with how these products work, and you'll see that I'm still going through the blow dry process, and right now the only thing that's in my hair is the Olaplex number 6, the bonding smoother, and you can totally tell that it is definitely definitely letting me move through that blow drying process. It does help that my hair is very, very low density, but this really did expand every strand, and it made it look like I had a lot of hair once I was done blow drying it, and I'm always excited about that. So yeah, definitely move through the blow drying process. Right now I'm actually telling my daughter and my husband, like, are we seeing the results of how long my hair has gotten, and yeah, and that's on period. So just going to continue to blow dry my hair. It does silken out really, really nicely. I didn't do like a board straight blow dry, which I probably could have gotten a little bit better results with it, but honestly I didn't want to over blow dry my hair when I knew that I was going to be grabbing a flat iron next. So sorry that it's a little bit dark in this video. I was recording it in the evening, and I decided to put up this beautiful burgundy background, and it did allow my hair to kind of blend into it. But don't worry, as we continue to move through the straightening process, the lights are going to adjust and you'll be able to see the vibrancy of it. But at this point I'm actually really, really impressed with what that one pass with the flat iron did. I think I had my flat iron at like 375 degrees. I've had this curling iron or flat iron for, I know, at least 10 years. It's one of those flat irons that you can actually find in the mall, those little kiosks, well, when the mall or going to the mall was a thing. And I honestly, this one had a lifetime warranty on it, and I thought it was a gimmick, but I was totally in the market for a flat iron at the time that I purchased it. And like I said, I totally have not use a flat iron on my hair, and I'm going to say about 6 months, and before that I was only using it maybe once a year. So you know, it's kind of like cars at this point in time. You're not putting tons and tons of miles on them because a lot of us have been in quarantine. So that does probably help too, that I haven't used it every day for like the past couple years. But honey, you can just tell like the length on my hair has jumped leaps and bounds with me using the Olaplex system. Again, I will leave link down below my whole Olaplex viewing system, so you can kind of see what products I use and how I use them. There's also a playlist that gives you guys the idea of what I do when my hair is curly and what products I'm using, what I shampoo with. Just check the link down below, and I will list as many videos so you can continue to view into your little heart desires. Okay, so obviously also I'm doing this video at night. There's no makeup on. I do apologize, but I'm so glad that I turned my camera on so you guys can honestly see the first time that I've smoothed my hair out in so long. And I don't even have like a really fresh cut. I think my hair hasn't been cut, and I'm going to say about 2 months now, but it is holding up so well. And honestly, my hairstylist took great care to cut my hair wet, so my curls would actually have some volume to them. But honestly, a testament to her as well. My hair looks equally as healthy straight as it did curly. So super excited, and yay for me. So you'll see that I am kind of taking my time through certain pieces to slick my hair out. I probably again could have gotten it much straighter with one pass had I been slow with it, but honestly I was so excited that I was getting such great results that I was just like, well, let me get to this side of my hair, and let me get to this part of my hair. Well, let me see if this side does the same thing. And it was almost like a really good piece of cake. The more you eat, the better it tastes. So you just basically have to deal with proper proportion size. So that's what I did with this. I didn't want to overdo it. I knew I wanted to wrap my hair down. I worked out before I wrapped it down just to see how much it was going to expand. It did swell just a little bit because we still have humidity here in Georgia. And just on natural hair, you don't expect it to stay board straight, but you can see the body in that hair. It's not stiff to my head. I wrapped it down overnight just to kind of remove some of the static out of it. And the next day, I was equally as impressed with the results of the Olaplex number 6 and the Olaplex number 7 system. So that's all I have for this video, you guys. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this how-to on the Olaplex number 6 and 7 when you're blow drying your hair. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, click that notifications button so the next time I upload, you will be notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.